video, we are going to solve some problems related to ages. Before going to the problems directly, let's see some basic points. Here, if the age of a person is not given in the question, let the age of a person be X. Okay. And sometimes if they ask you, like age of one person is twice the age of another person. At that situations, we have to take as 2x as age of another person and x as age of first person. And sometimes the age of second person is twice more than that means 2 more than the twice of the first person. Then first person's age will be x and second person's age will be 2x plus 2. Okay. And if they give you 5 years ago, we have to consider x minus 5. And 5 years hence or after, 5 years after the age of a person. If they ask you like that, you have to consider x plus 5. See first question here. 1 year ago, the ratio of Gaurav's and Sachin's age was 6:7 respectively. 4 years hence, the ratio would become 7:8. How old is Sachin? Now we have to find the Sachin's present age. Sachin's present age. So the options given here are the Sachin's present age. First answer. 1 year ago. 1 year ago. Sachin's age. Sorry, first Gaurav's age. Gaurav's age. It was 6'6". They have given in the question. And Sachin's age. It is 7x. But after 4 years, 4 years after 4 years, Gaurav says, it was 6x plus 1. 6x plus 1 means the present age. Plus 4 means after 4 years. And Sachin says, it was 7x is past, that means 1 year ago age. 7x plus 1 means present age. Plus 4 means 4 years after age. And now 6x plus 5 by 7x plus 5. It is equals to 7:8. That means 7 by 8. And now cross multiply this. 6 8s of 48x plus 40. It is equals to 7 7s of 49x plus 35. And now here 40 minus 35, it is equals to 49x minus 48x. 5, it is equals to x. Here x is equals to 5 and the Sachin's present age. Sachin's present age, it will be 7x plus 1. 7x plus 1. Here 7 5s are plus 1. 35 plus 1. Here 36. This is the method how normally students used to solve the questions related to ages. But now I am going to give you a simple trick to solve these type of questions in competitive way. What we have to do is just read the question carefully. In the question, they have given the ratio of age of Gaurav and Sachin 1 year ago, 1 year back ratio. And in the options, they have given the present age. The present age. Here 7x. 7x is the 7 into x. X, we don't know the value of x. But here 7 into any number, it is a multiple of 7. And the number, it is also divisible by 7. Here firstly, subtract 1 from each of these options. Okay. Here 35, 42, 29, 43. And observe and find out the option which is divisible by 7. Okay. Yes, 35 is divisible by 7 and 42 is also divisible by 7 and 29. If you observe carefully, 29, it is not a multiple of 7. So we have to remove this option. And 43, it is also not a multiple of 7. We have to remove this option. And now we have two options, 36 and 42. And now in the question, if you observe, they have given extra information about the age of Sachin. 7:8. Here Sachin's ratio is 8x. 8x means we don't know the value of x, but it is a multiple of the number. It is multiple of 8. And 8 into any number, it is divisible by 8 and it is also a multiple of 8. But this is the ratio after 4 years. So we have to add 4 to each of these options. 4. 36 plus 4, 40, and 43 plus 4, 47. Observe carefully the options. Check whether 40 is divisible by 8 or not. Yes, 40 is divisible by 8. Okay, fine. And 47, if you observe carefully, 47, it is not divisible by 8. So we have to remove this option. So finally we got 36 as our answer. So 36 will be our answer. So see another question. The difference between the present ages of Soumya and Priya is 4 years. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be 9:8. What is Soumya's present age? In the question they are asking us to find the Soumya's present age. And in the options they are given the present age of Soumya. But in the question, if you observe carefully, the ratio it was given is the age of Soumya and Priya. Ratio of age of Soumya and Priya after 5 years. Here Soumya's ratio is 9x. That means 9 parts. Here the total value is multiple of 9. That means 9 into any number, it is must a multiple of 9. Okay, fine. But here the options are the present days. So add 5 to each of these options. And now 32 plus 5, it was 37, and here 36, here 29, and here 33. And now observe carefully, find the options, find the numbers which are divisible by 9. If you observe carefully, 7 it is not a multiple of 9. Okay, we have to remove this number. 36 it is a multiple of 9. Okay. 29 it is not a multiple of 9. Remove this. 33 it is also not a multiple of 9. So remove. Finally we have option B, 31. 31 will be our answer. Okay. See third question. Present ages of x and y are in the ratio 5:6 respectively. 7 years hence this ratio will become 6:7 respectively. What is the x present age in years? The options given are the present age of x, and if you observe carefully, this ratio is the present ages of x and y. Okay now? Okay. So here if you observe carefully, 5x is the ratio of x, present age of x. And now here we don't need to subtract or add any number to the options. We just directly see which number is divisible by which number is divisible by 5. If you observe carefully, here the option is actually 35, and 35 it is also divisible by 5, 42 is not divisible by 5, and 49 it is not divisible by 5, and 45 is divisible by 5. And now if you observe carefully, they have given another extra information. 7 years hence, that means after 7 years, this ratio will become 6:7. Here 6x, 6 parts is the age of x, but after 7 years. So options are present age. This ratio is after 7 years ratio. So we have to add 7. Here 42, here 52. So this 42 is divisible by 6. Okay, fine. And 52, if you observe carefully, 52 is not divisible by 6, and 52 is not a multiple of 6. So we have to remove this option. Finally we got 35. So 35 will be our answer. See how simple it is. So see fourth question. The present ages of 3 persons are in the proportion 4:7:9. 8 years ago, the sum of their ages was 56. Find their present ages in years. The options given here are the present ages of 3 persons. So if you observe carefully, the present age of first person is 4x, and the second person is 7x, and third person is 9x. 4 parts, 7 parts, and 9 parts. If you observe carefully, 8 years ago means 4x minus 8, 7x minus 8, 9x minus 8. The sum of their ages was 56. So we have to sum all this. 4x minus 8 plus 7x minus 8 plus 9x minus 8. It is equals to 56. Okay, 56. And now 7, it is 11, 20. 20x minus 24, it is equals to 56. And 20x, it is equals to here 56 plus 24, 10, 7, 8, 80. 20x is equals to 80, x is equals to 80 by 2, x is equals to 40. Here x is equals to 40. And now we have to find the present ages of these persons. 4x, x here 40, x here 40, so actually here 20, right? 2 to cancel, 4, x is equals to 4. 4 into 4, 16. 7x, 7 4s are 28, and 9x, 9 4s are 36. The option here is B. See another question. The ratio between the present ages of P and Q is 6:7. If Q is 4 years older than P, what will be the ratio of the ages of P and Q after 4 years? Now, so P by Q, the ratio of P and Q, it is 6:7. That means 6x by 7x. 6 parts by 7 parts. Here it is. So, in the question they have given Q is 4 years older than P. That means 7x minus 6x, it is equals to 4. The difference between P and Q is 4 years, right? So, x it is equals to 4. We know the value of x. And now what we have to find is the ratio of the ages of P and Q after 4 years. So, after 4 years, the age of P, it will be 6x plus 4. 6x is the present age and plus 4 means the age of P after 4 years. And Q, it is 7x plus 4. 7x plus 4. Here we already know the value of x. So 6 into 4 plus 4, it is 16. So 6 was a 24. 24 plus 4, 28. And here 7 into 4 plus 4. 28 plus 4, 32. So P by Q, that will be the ratio of the age of P and Q. So 28 by 32 is 2 1. So the ratio of P and Q, 28 by 32. Okay, P by Q, 2 1s are 4s are, 2 1s are 8, 6 are, 2 7s are, 2 8s are, 7 is to 8. That will be our answer. D is our answer. That's it for today, guys. In the next video also I am going to deal with ages but with different problems. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe and share our video.